This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the caps lock behavior. This is quick. First, make sure your Chromebook is updated so settings match instructions. Then press and hold the search/launcher key while you press Alt once to test if caps lock appears. On some models, the shortcut differs. Open Settings, search for Keyboard, and toggle the caps lock option or remap the search key to caps lock. Do this now so the key will act predictably across apps and text fields. Once done with the initial enabling, you'll customize the behavior. Open Settings, go to Device then Keyboard. This lets you remap the search/launcher key to caps lock so you have a dedicated key. Choose caps lock from the drop-down, then close Settings and type in a document to confirm. If you prefer temporary uppercase, use Shift for single letters. Remapping gives a full toggle. Make sure apps like Remote Desktop receive the key mapping too, because some web apps override local shortcuts. Finish by confirming caps lock reliably toggles. Look for an on-screen indicator or test typing. If it fails, reboot the Chromebook and reopen keyboard settings to reapply the remap. Some updates reset mappings. If the native option is missing on older devices, consider a lightweight extension or a Chrome flag as a fallback, but be cautious. Extensions can conflict. If problems persist, power wash only as last resort. This troubleshooting keeps your remap intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.